Hi and welcome to Pernillaskreativa. I'm Pernilla. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet your own scrunchie. So first I want to show you some scrunchies I have made. All these I have used the same pattern for, just different type of yarn. And the reason why I show this is to show you how different your scrunchie can appear depending on what yarn you choose to crochet with. So in this video I'm going to show you with this yarn. And that's because with this yarn you see most clearly the steps I'm going to show you for crochet this scrunchie. So this is what you need to make this scrunchie, and it's some yarn, a scissor, a needle with a large eye, a hair tie and a needle hook, and I use a hook in the size of 4 millimeters. To start this scrunchie I'm just going to take my yarn and tie it to the hair tie. Make sure you have the end that goes to the yarn ball behind your hair tie. Then we're going to take our hook, go through the hair tie, grab the yarn, bring it back, and then we're going to make 3 chains. And we just take the yarn through our stitch on the needle, do it the same again, take the yarn, go through the stitch, and one more time, take the yarn and go through the stitch. Next step is that we're gonna make treble crochet, and a treble crochet is you wrap your yarn around the needle 2 times, then we're gonna go through the hair tie, grab the yarn, bring it back through the hair tie, grab the yarn again and go through the first 2 stitches, then we take the yarn again, going through the second 2 stitches, and one more time going through the last 2 stitches. And that's a treble crochet. And we're gonna keep doing treble crochets all the way around. And yeah, we're gonna do about 70 to 80 triple crochet to fill this hair tie up. And when we have done it all the way around, I'm gonna show you how to join the first and the last one together. So just keep doing your treble crochet, wrap it 2 times around your hook, going through the hair tie, grab the yarn, going through the 2 first, going through the 2 second, and going through the last 2. And yeah, keep doing this all the way around for about 70 to 80 times. So before we join the last and the first together, you should take a look on your hair tie to make sure you have covered it with yarn all the way around. And if you pull your hair tie, you should only see small pieces of the hair tie. So if you see big pieces, you should add some extra treble crochets on your hair tie. So we're gonna join the last and the first together with a slip stitch. And a slip stitch we do by going through the first stitch, grabbing the yarn, going back through that stitch, and then taking the yarn through the stitch we already had on our needle or hook. And then we just can cut off the yarn, pull the thread through. So the last we have to do now is to weave in the ends from the beginning and from the end. And we wave them in by taking the yarn and putting on our large eye needle. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through the stitch in front and back a bit, and then I'm going straight down through the stitches or treble crochets and back up again on the other side. Something like that. And then I just cut the yarn and doing the same with this end. And then we're done with our crochet scrunchie. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, feel free to tell me in a comment, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.